Sexual reproduction in plant. Demo on flower. We know that in angiosperm, parent plant is a diploid sporophyte generation. Flower is the reproductive structure in this generation. The flower components are arranged in the form of whorls. The outer two whorls in a flower are the non-reproductive whorls, while the inner two whorls are the reproductive whorls. Calyx is the outermost whorl. It is usually in green color. Its individual units are called sepals. Sepals protects the inner whorls at birth stage. Corolla is the next inner whorl, and these are called petals. These serve to attract bees, birds, which are the agents of pollination. Third whorl, and that is androecium, is the male reproductive part of flower. Its units are called stamens. Each stamen has a thread-like filament at the free end of which anther is attracted. Anther has pollen sacs in which haploid microspores are produced through meiosis. Each microspore germinates into the male gametophyte generation. During it, the nucleus of microspores undergoes mitosis and produces two nuclei. That is called a tube nucleus and a generative nucleus. The generative nucleus again undergoes mitosis and produces two sperms. So a germinative microspore has a tube nucleus and two sperms. All these structures are the male gametophyte generation of the plant. Fourth whorl, that is called gynoecium, is the female reproductive part of flower. Its units are called carpels. Each carpel is made up of the basal ovary, middle style, and upper stigma. Inside ovary there are one to many ovules. Inside each ovule, one haploid macrospore is produced through meiosis. Microspore germinates into the female gametophyte generation. During it, microspores undergoes mitosis and produces an egg cell and some associated structures. Egg cell and associated structures are the female gametophyte generation of the plant. When pollen grains mature, they are transferred to the stigma. It is called pollination. On reaching the stigma, the tube nucleus of pollen grain constructs a pollen tube. The pollen tube contains a tube nucleus and two sperms. The tube grows through style and ovary and enters ovule. Through it bursts and releases the sperm. Both sperms enter the female gametophyte. One sperm fuses with egg and forms a diploid zygote.